You have this refresh visuals, you have pause visuals. You can pause your visuals from the queries to add up or to set up or anything on that sort. Then you have optimized present, like interactive or customized or anything of that sort. Okay. You have those options available. So these are kind of very good options that you have. Then if you click on any visual, go to a format, you have that edit interaction. Now, what is this? It will open up in some time for sure. How visual interact on data points are selected. So basically, see, if let's say I'll just make it as a filter for your data and I stop that, no, I have a filter to be used. So then if I click on hoodies now, then it will interact according to that. In this, if let's say I have a filter attached and I click on browse, see, I click on hoodies, it doesn't change. Why it doesn't change? Because I have made a visual filter only for pants. So what is this filter? Filter is basically that on what, edit interaction is what? It's a kind of a basic filter that you apply. And on that filter, your data get freezed completely. That is called as an edit interaction. So basically you have, let's say 10 filters. So if you see over here, you have product category. So here in product categories, I have different categories of bras and tops, hoodies and sweatshirts, jackets, pants, shorts, tank top, tees. You have all of the things. But as I have freezed it only for the pants at that point of time, so it is only filtering me for the pants. If I click on any of them, let's say I click on tees also, it will only show me for pants. So this is how I can restrict the filter view option for any user in any which case. That's also one of the concepts that we have while we use this edit interaction. So basically, you are editing your interaction of the table on the basis of the filters, on the basis of the parameters, all these stuffs. So that is called as your edit interaction option that you can use. And based on that option, it's very easy for us. You can really save it or work on it. And it restricts your work to be shown, or maybe if you want to restrict for the filters, like if you want to set up somebody's filter to only for 3 or 4 sections or for 3 or 4 categories, that person will be able to see that very easily by using an edit interaction. Now, if you want to remove it, just click on none. As soon as you click on none, you click on hoodies, you click on jackets also, then also it doesn't filter. Now, if I click on this edit interaction, then also it doesn't work. Why? Because for this also I had an interaction that was created. So see, it interaction works. So for this, I want to refresh the visual in that case. Then I remove the interaction and then I can now see for the visuals in all of that. See, it's now filtering for different sort of it. Bras, hoodies, jackets, whatever I want. I can filter it out for that purpose. Okay. That's what it's worked for a edit interaction option. In Power Visualization, then you have bookmarks in Power BI. Now, what are these bookmarks? Bookmarks are nothing, but bookmarks are also very interesting part. So, these are called as the bookmarks. There's a section of bookmark. So, if you filter the data to get a state you want to capture and click and add on it. So basically, if let's say I add a bookmark, I'm not renaming it. Now, in this, so this is kind of bookmark that is there. You can create a bookmark. So that's a page of a bookmark that is created. And this is a sort of bookmark that you created that, okay, this is one of a page which I am loading for, I'm looking for. So this page is your bookmark. This is basically a page which is bookmark. If you close it, then it will not be a bookmark. So every time whenever you open that visual, that page will be bookmarked for you. So that means that is a marked for you thing